Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are in Vietnam and we're going on a 3-day cruise of Ha Long Bay. We're going to do kayaking, snorkeling, swimming, a bunch of other really fun activities, and the boat is really amazing. I am excited about this because I'm taking you guys along with me, as is the norm at this point. I hope you guys enjoy. Going to our rooms. This does not feel like a boat. What number are we?
I like sea. Dolphins. Except there's definitely no dolphins in there.
Cute. Alright, I want this bed.
Okay, fine. Water.
Alright, so review the room. There's power outlets. There's 4 lights.
A balcony.
A big light. Our own personal, well, it's not really personal. It's just the deck. But it's kind of personal. Balcony. Yay. Oh, that's Mom and Dad's room. Theirs is identical to ours. We got a fan. There's a little map of the boat there. Shows our room. There's only like 6 rooms on this boat. We got a bath. Oh wow, there's a shower and everything in here.
What? There's a shower?
Look, yeah.
How would you want to have a shower?
There's a shower, hair dryer. Wow, toothbrushes.
Why would you wait, power outlets?
Yes, I know. And yeah, it's pretty small, but we don't need big cabins. So yeah, this is really cool. Oh look, I have my own light switch. What does that do?
I mean, why would you want to shower on the boat? Because,
literally nothing. Okay. Anyways, this is awesome. All right, so now we go up to the top deck. I'm on the other side of the cabin. This is the restaurant, and this is the way up to the top. Wow. Oh, this is cool. So you got, okay, so over here, there's a table, lounge chairs, really, really nice 360 degrees panoramic view. And then you've got 2 more lounge chairs, 2 more lounge chairs in the sun, another lounge chair, 2 more lounge, okay, there's a lot of loungers. 3 more loungers, another lounger, sail number 2, and a table. I really want to eat there because 360 degrees panoramic view. This is pretty insane. Pretty nice. Okay, it is day 2. I am sorry I didn't film anything much yesterday, but it was really hectic. Now we're gonna get on a day boat today, and we're going to do activities off that day boat. We're going to come back to the boat for the night, and then we're going to do a couple more activities the next morning, and then we're going to take a shuttle bus, the 3-hour drive home. Today, I actually don't know what we're doing, but we're going to go swimming and kayaking again in a different spot, and we are going to do a bunch of other exciting stuff. So I'm looking forward to it, and I'm going to film more today. This is what we have to do with our time, just playing cards, you know.
You didn't see me.
Thank you. I'm finally here, and I'm still not filming much because it's been crazy busy. Anyways, so now we're going to a cave. After that, we do a cooking class. Then we are going back to the hotel in Hanoi. Back to the hotel in Hanoi. nearly as narrow as me.
Nothing's ever perfect, and I would know 'cause I'm the one to blame. Let's just take a moment, 'cause I don't want this to cause a pain. I can't take it back, no I can't, no I can't. My hands are tied.
Own ingredient for the fried spring roll, and when you get made from rice, and you can see own ingredient very often represent for 5 basic elements: iron, wood, water, fire, and earth. And the carrot represent for fire, represent for iron. Onion. No onion, no spring onion. Oh, it's okay. I add later. Then you can rest. The same mushroom but different. And this is the main ingredient for fried spring roll. You can replace by the pork. You can replace by the chicken, seaweed, or anything you want to eat.
Okay, this is the end of our cruise. Thank you so much for watching. You still made it. Thank you. Incredible view from this cave we are at right now. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. As always, like,